Are you looking to relocate to Middle Georgia? Well, if you are, then you're definitely going to want to check out Bonaire, Georgia, in Middle Georgia area. Now, these houses out here, there's a lot of new construction homes, but if you're looking for something secluded that's out of the way in the backest corner of Bonaire, Georgia, then you definitely want to see 121 Colton Drive. Now, this neighborhood is about half built, so there's still other houses that are coming that are under construction, but it's so far back in the corner that nobody will ever see you, and it's a secluded little neighborhood, and it's nice and quiet. Now, this is a 5-bedroom 3-bath house, but you got to take a look at these Jack and Jill bathrooms. It is amazing. You'll get lost in here. Now, this house at 121 Colton Drive was listed with Prestige Realty. So we're going to take a look inside and see if it's something that you want to make an offer on. So come on in and let's look. Okay, so this new construction house for sale is 3,400 square feet. It's all brick and stone on the exterior, and it's sitting on a 3/4 acre lot. And this is the newest section of Southfield Plantation subdivision. And once you get past the grand foyer and this jaw-dropping living room kitchen, then you'll notice that this is a split floor plan with the master on one side and the guest rooms on the other. So try to keep up with me here. Each of these Jack and Jill bathrooms are tied to 2 separate rooms. So there's 4 rooms in all, one of them is the nursery. Okay, so I said 5-bedroom, but actually this house is listed as a 4-bed, 3-bath with a office or / nursery. Let's try that one more time, and this time we'll go in the other direction. Coming back to the front, we have the formal dining room on one side of the entrance with a smaller breakfast nook or a more formal office on the other side. And this grand bedroom is epitome of luxury with the sit-in showers, the garden tub, granite countertops, and of course the closet is actually his and hers divided. And once you're done freshening up in the luxury bathroom, you've got your own private sunroom with access to the back patio. And since you're already outside, you really want to walk down and say hi to the neighbors. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed our little tour of 121 Colton Drive. Like I said, this place is absolutely huge. And the dual Jack and Jill bathrooms, you got to see that for yourself because you'll get lost in there. But if you want to make an offer on this house, make sure to reach out to me. My information is in the description below. So come on out to Bonaire and get a home of your dreams. We'll be here.